Today I'll show you how I improved the performance of a 2021 Microcar. This small car has a 2-cylinder 0.5-liter diesel engine with about 8 horsepower. After the customer bought the vehicle, he felt that the car was too slow and asked me to check it. When I first received the car, the maximum speed was only about 34 kilometers per hour. One of the simplest ways to improve performance on small diesel engines is by adjusting engine operating parameters, if there is safe adjustment range available. In this case, there was still some adjustment margin. After a small adjustment, about 0.4 mm, the car was already reaching around 49 kilometers per hour, but the goal was to reach just over 50 kilometers per hour. On this engine, the injection pump has an adjustment screw that controls maximum fuel delivery. It is hidden behind this protective cover, so to access it, I had to drill the rivets and remove the expansion tank. After removing the tank and opening the cover, you can see a lock nut and adjustment screw. The lock nut must be loosened first. In my case, I slightly modified the screw head so it could be adjusted using a screwdriver. While adjusting, I noticed that turning the screw too far reduced fuel supply, and the engine started to stall. To increase fuel supply, the screw must be turned carefully in the correct direction. It's very important not to over-adjust. Too much adjustment can cause unstable engine RPM. The best way is to adjust carefully while the engine is running and monitor the behavior. final adjustment, we tested the car on the road. The result was around 53, 54 kilometers per hour, which was good enough for this setup. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy real workshop projects and practical car fixes, like the video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment.